Okay, what is this that I'm drinking?
11 spices.
11 spices.
Uh-huh.
11 spices. Let's see. Oh, wow. It's very rich.
Mm-hmm.
It's not heavy.
Mm-hmm.
It's delicious.
Thank you.
Very refreshing. I taste ginger and cardamom.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Um, I don't know. It's just delicious.
Yeah.
This needs to be purchased by everyone. This
Oh.
is very, very good. Is this handmade?
Yes, everything is the tea leaves are hand picked, the spices are hand ground, and then they're freshly blended and then shipped here.
It's very delicious. Very delicious. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.